back to my channel. Today I am making a very delicious roasted carrot, beet and quinoa salad. It's vegetarian and gluten free and I am sure you will like it. Let's get started. We will start by roasting our carrots and beets. I am using these beautiful rainbow baby carrots. I have already prepped them. We'll cut them into lengthwise. Now for our beets, we will cut them into half-inch thick wedges. Drizzle some olive oil, just enough to coat the vegetables. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Spread them onto the baking pan. Just make sure don't overcrowd the pan. Now they are ready to go into the hot oven. We will roast them for 15 to 20 minutes or until done. Now let's prepare our dressing. For that, in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 clove garlic minced, half a teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and just keep it aside. Now in a bowl, add 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 onion finely chopped, half a cup of chopped parsley or coriander leaves. Now sprinkle 3 to 4 tablespoons of our dressing. Mix everything together. Take out the vegetables and check if they are cooked. Poke them with the help of the knife and see if it's going through easily. Let's put our salad together now. We will start by spreading our salad leaves, followed by quinoa, our roasted vegetables, and some chopped roasted nuts. Now sprinkle our leftover dressing and finally serve it with a goat cheese or feta cheese. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.